little artists. Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub, the place where we make art fun and easy for you. Today, we're going to draw something super exciting, beauty kits. Are you ready to get creative? Let's dive in. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Alright, let's start with a rough pencil sketch. Remember, it's okay if your lines are a bit wobbly, we're just getting started. Great job, everyone! Now, let's grab our black marker and start outlining our drawing. Let's draw a cute hairdryer first.
Wow!
Next up, let's draw some scissors. Remember, be careful with those sharp edges. And now, let's draw a comb.
Awesome!
Let's add some hearts, stars, and flowers around our tools. Beautiful! Now it's time for the most exciting part, coloring. Let's start with yellow. Green next. Orange time. Red is up next. How about some blue? Purple, anyone? Pink, my favorite.
Wow!
Let's go back to yellow for a pop of brightness. And now, purple again. Blue for some cool vibes. Pink, my favorite.
Cool!
Let's color the comb with rainbow colors. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Indigo color. Purple color.
Cool!
Let's color the other shapes. Red color. color. Yellow color. Orange color. Blue color. Wow, look at those vibrant colors. You all did an amazing job. Give yourselves a round of applause. And there we have it, our beautiful beauty kit drawing. I'm so proud of each and every one of you. Until next time, keep creating and keep smiling. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.